Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Artbeads TOHO round beads. When you first receive your package, it's going to be wrapped up in purple tissue paper, just like a gift, and then you're going to have their sticker that says "Just Keep Beading" on it. They do have tape throughout, keeping the tissue paper sealed, and then you'll see the protective plasticking. When you unwrap that, you'll see that your beads are all in a nice zipped up bag, nice and protected. The day that I was ordering, they were giving out a free gift with your purchase, so that I have the Artbeads shell button. It's double-sided and they showed it as an earring component. They also give their card, and this is the artbeads.com, and then it gives an earring idea. On the back of it, it gives you some more information. It shows you their website and gives you a coupon code for your next purchase. Now let's get on to reviewing the beads. So I have Toho Round 11-0 Opaque Sunset Orange 8-gram bag. So when I did order my beads through Artbeads, there was a mix-up on my order and I received 2 of these bags of beads. I had ordered a silver lined orange, so we did contact Artbeads and they sent out the proper beads right away with free shipping, so that's really wonderful. So these are the beads I wanted, and then for the one that got mixed up, I did end up getting those quickly in the mail, so that's really nice. So these are the Toho Bead Round 11-0 Silver Lined Medium Orange 8-gram bag. When I did end up getting these, they weren't quite what I expected. I thought they would be a little bit more on the orange shade and a little bit less on the yellow shade, but hopefully they still will work for my project. The Toho Bead Round 11-0 Matte Opaque Cantaloupe 8-gram bag. I really like these. I love the matte finish on these beads. If you wanted to purchase these for yourself, you could just type this code in to their website search and these beads would pop right up. Then there's the Toho Bead Round 11-0 Matte Opaque Dark Yellow 8-gram bag. So again with that wonderful finish. And then I have Toho Bead Round 11-0 Matte Opaque White 8-gram bag. I really like these. I have Toho Bead Round 11-0 Silver Lined Siam Ruby 8-gram bag. So these are just like the same type of bead as my orange silver lined, which gives them such a sparkly finish. I also have for this project Toho Bead Round 11-0 Opaque Light Beige 8-gram bag. These are really nice. These have almost a pearlish finish, and I think that this will work wonderfully for the project I'm going to show you. Here are the Toho Bead Round 11-0 Galvanized Starlight. These are very shiny. I also have Toho Bead Round 11-0 Opaque Shiny Jet Black. With any order from Artbeads, you'll receive an in-color order sheet, which is so nice. You'll see the discount along the top if you actually had a discount. On that one, you can kind of see the tab where this says origin, so JP stands for Japan, an in-color photo of all of your beads, the name of your beads, the price of one bag, and then if you got multiple bags, they would add those together and show you that total per amount for those beads. So I think this is very nice. And everything was packaged very well, and the shipping was fast on all of these items. So now I'm going to show you an idea that you can use these beads for. Okay, so I finished gridding this fish, and basically I have an arrow here, and that's the row I would say I would start on and work my way up, and then start from that row and add these little details to the bottom. I did color graph this out for you. I found this idea off of social media, and I just thought it was so pretty I had to try it myself. You do see that I have some letters in the different colors, and that's just to help myself. I put D in some of the very dark areas, the dark orange, O for the orange, Y for the yellow, and then the W's for the white, C for the cream, G for the gold, and then you'll also see the S's. I have S in both the red and the orange. Those are for the see-through beads. So just keep that in mind if you're graphing this and wanting to do it yourself. All the beads that I showed you earlier I did use. I'll show you what he looks like. So he's really cute, and I did start from this row right here, and then I worked all the way up, came back down and added all those cute little touches on the bottom. So he's really cute. I'll move this now. That's what he looks like for color reference. I used all the beads that I showed you, and they really ended up working very well for this pattern that I wanted to make. I'll show you some of the graph paper that you can get through their website. This is printable graph paper through artbeads.com. So they have it for cylindrical beads, brick stitch for cylindrical beads, and then they have brick stitch for round beads. So I did use the one for round beads since our beads are Toho round. If you had perfect cylindrical beads, you could definitely use the cylinder graph paper. So I'll show you the picture of the graph one more time, and then you can just copy this for yourself if you want to do this pattern. If you don't want to make a seed beaded fish, I now will be showing you a geometric design. Okay, so I finished gridding this one out. I wanted to quickly mention that I found this idea off of social media, and I thought it was so pretty. Where I have the arrows pointing, that's the very middle. So if you wanted to just do half of it, you could. And also, if you know anything about brick stitch, you might know this already, but I'll just mention, you want to start on the widest, longest row, so that, and then you can work up and then you can work down. But it's easiest to decrease all the way up than to have to increase on both sides all the way up. So it's best to just work from this row, go all the way up, and then this row and go all the way down. So that's the idea. If you wanted to copy that, what I did was these I pictured all to be gold, and then these I pictured all to be white. The geometric diamond grid. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a comment down below letting me know what you would like me to review next and show you as an idea. If you would like to print off some of this graph paper that I showed you in this video, go in the description box below and I'll have the links. I also will have the links to a few of my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button if you would like to see exactly when I have my next video uploaded. Thank you for watching.